In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes productively using a Notion template. We'll go through each step of the process, making sure you end up with a well-organized space for all your important information. Let's jump in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to your connected workspace on Notion. Notion is a versatile app that combines your wiki, docs, and projects in one workspace so you can manage all your information efficiently. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to do that next. Just click on the Login button on the top right corner of the screen and enter your credentials. This will bring you to your Notion homepage, where you can access all of your existing notes and workspaces. Once you're on the homepage, your next task is to create a new page. This page is where your notes will be housed. Find the option that says Create a New Page and give it a click. This will open up an empty canvas for you to start with. Now we want to make our note-taking process more structured and comprehensive, so we'll create a database. This will allow us to store not just notes, but also various properties and views to enhance how we manage our information. Inside your new page, add a database. You can opt for a table view or any other style of display that suits your needs. This flexibility is one of the highlights of using Notion, as it empowers you to organize your notes in the way that's most intuitive for you. After setting up your database, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Add Properties. Properties in Notion allow you to label your notes with additional details like tags, dates, or priorities. This helps to maintain a high level of organization, making it easy to locate and manage information when you need it quickly. With your properties sorted out, let's enhance the way we view our notes by adding different views. The Views option could be really beneficial if you like switching between visual representations of your data, such as a calendar for due dates or a list view for a clean overview. By applying different views, you can instantly switch how you visualize the same set of data, giving you new insights or simply providing a new perspective. Finally, to wrap things up, you'll want to start adding pages within your database. Each of these pages can represent a different note or topic you need to cover. You can title them accordingly and fill them with content as needed. Whether it's text, images, or attachments, Notion offers you the versatility to include a diverse array of media in your notes. And there you have it. We've successfully set up a productive note-taking system using Notion. You now have a robust tool to keep track of all your important information in one organized place. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide will help you make the most of your note-taking endeavors.